What's up guys, I'm doing an oil change, so this is going to be a quick video. Now we're going to put a little bit of oil in the oil filter. I'm going to lift the car with the jack so I can remove the jack stands. Now I'm going to put the oil in. Now we're going to check the oil level. Like I said, this would be a quick oil change video. The reason we haven't been doing videos lately is because we've been busy going to the boxing gym and stuff. We're gonna try to make videos more frequently. Stay tuned and see y'all next time.